everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video, I'm going to share with you one more word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. But prior to that, I would request you that if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do subscribe it so that you can savor the real textual taste of the book. And you can learn communication skills. You can be benefited through book analysis and editorial analysis from the Hindu through this online platform, TEC. So coming to this word that I'm going to share in this video is Cwtch. And Cwtch is a word that is very identical, but not the same as a hug. So in this cartoon, two people hugging each other very closely, and this word Cwtch is a noun, a hug, but much more intimate than a hug. You feel a hug physically, but you feel a Cwtch mentally, emotionally, with every fiber of your being and essence. And this word is with a poem, so I hope you would enjoy it, and this poem would contextualize the words in your memory, and that way you would be able to have it for a long period of time. A Cwtch is a Wales word steeped in history. From where it came is still a mystery. It's hard to describe the feeling you get, but you first real Cwtch you will never forget. A Cwtch is wondrous, morning or night. It's always the best way to get over a fight. A reliever of pain, it's better than pills. It will help you forget all your ills. A Cwtch is a drug, addicting for sure. Indulge in it once, you will hunger for more. It's more than a hug, it's more than a cuddle. It's something you give to someone who is special. The art of Cwtching has passed down through life from parents and lovers, from a husband or wife. The one thing for sure that I will learn is true, the spirit of Cwtching lives on in you. So this has been the word Cwtch. In order to see the other videos of the same book, you can watch the videos through this platform of TEC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.